For the final step, you'll need your GenTent canopy in the color and material you selected, and the appropriate apron size for your inverter generator. Unfold the canopy and give it a good shake to open. Place it over the installed frame rods, making sure the center connector is directly beneath the top cap of the canopy. Start by taking one of the 4 elastic straps and securing it over the extender arms, positioning the strap as far back as possible toward the angle braces. Repeat this process at all 4 corners, working in a crisscross pattern for even tension. Next, follow the elastic strap up to the corner of the canopy and locate the black binding on the canopy's edge. Fold this binding back to expose the soft loop Velcro underneath, which runs along the entire perimeter of the canopy's base. Taking your apron, center it over the electrical panel of your generator. The apron should wrap around the corners of the canopy by a few inches, protecting the electrical panel on 3 sides while still allowing room for proper ventilation, exhaust, and air intake. Once positioned, fold the weather strip back down flush over the apron attachment, making sure the black binding is all the way down. This ensures a watershed effect for proper weather protection. You've now fully installed a NFPA-rated, flame-retardant GenTent inverter kit designed to protect against wind up to 75 miles per hour, rainfall up to 12 inches per hour, and snow loads up to 18 inches or 55 pounds. Your inverter is ready for safe operation in unpredictable weather.